Hi, let's fly through the essentials of Python in just 1 minute. Ready? Let's dive in. We define variables without types. Python figures it out. So we see that here we are having integer, float, string, and boolean, and we did not define the type. Python can understand it. We are having different data structures. Lists are flexible, tuples are fixed, sets remove duplicates, and dictionaries store mapping. Here we see that for lists we need to have square brackets. For tuples we are having parentheses. For sets we are having the braces. For dictionary also we are having the braces, but we are having the key value pairs, which we don't have in sets. We use for loops for performing certain repetitive tasks, and while loops are used until certain condition is met. We are going to carry on and continue. We have the conditions. For example, if we want to check certain things has happened, then we are going to do further things and execute certain block of code. Follow for more. Thank you.